Hi guys, it's Lily again here with your next project, and this project is going to be something simple and fun. It's going to be kind of like a tag book, but it's going to have blank paper as well as other tags. So for this project, you're going to need scissors. You're going to need a hole punch, or you could also use, like, if you have a one of these thingies here, I forget what it's called, a crocodile. One of these, just something to punch a hole with, pencil, a ruler, and then your kit comes with one of these. It's a little piece of jute, so pull that out. And the 3 blank sheets of paper. Now your kit also has the 3 tea stained sheets of paper. So for this project, you can mix and match. You can use 2 of the white sheets, 1 of the tea stained, or the other way around, whichever you prefer. But you need at least 3 sheets. So for this project, I'm going to use the 3 white ones. You're going to need a bone folder or ruler, and then your project also uses the sheet of paper that looks like this. We're not going to use the top 4. These 4, cut them out, set them aside. Lisa's got something planned for those, so we're not using those. We're using the bottom 2 rows and then the one on the top right. All right, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut apart all of these. And all I'm doing is I'm just going to tear these apart. Not tear, but cut them apart. But I'm not doing the corners just yet. So all I'm going to do is slice them apart. Okay, they should all be the same size, and you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you should have somewhere around 11. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take one of these, and I'm going to measure. Yep, we're going to go across. So this is my long side. This is my short side. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to mark. Oops. And I'm going to go all the way across. And then we're going to cut here and here. So I've got tick marks on the width of this, and I'm going to take my cutter. First thing I'm going to do is cut down along the bottom. And what you can do is use a paper clip to hold the sheets of paper together so that they don't move when you cut. You can do that, or if you're confident, you can just slice. Throwing that out. And then I'm going to cut down the center where I marked. I'm going to stack this on top of this. And don't worry if they're not the perfect size. It'll be fine. Set that aside. Now we've got our stack. Now we got our stack, and we've got these. and they're about the same width. So I was playing around with these two. I'm gonna set those aside. These are roughly the same size, and now we gotta cut here and here. So what I did was I took one of these and then a small stack of the white sheets, and I lined them up here, lining it on my cutting mark, and just went till I cut. And that way, they're, oops, the same angle. They're all the same angle. There we go. And this is a slower process, but it's okay. Once I've cut the paper down, I'm going to take the rest of these and just trim them down. Next, we want to do this. I'm going to stick this one somewhere in here. I'm going to find the one I want for the top. Oh, I like this one, Snowflake Kisses. That's cute. And then I'm going to mix in some paper, maybe 2 sheets here. Put this one on the top, put another one, add another couple of sheets, add another one, and so forth until you have what you want. And you can even turn these around. There's journaling stuff. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to turn mine around so that I can use them as journal cards. I'm not going to do that one. And here we go. So now that I have them all stacked, all I have to do is punch a hole through there. Now I can do this a few at a time, or I really liked using the crocodile because it just went through. And let me see if I can get it. Might have to stand up to do this. Oops, I might have to do a few at a time here. And that is okay. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay, here is my product. Now we're going to take this string. You can do it a couple of ways. You can just put one in through the hole and tie it up in a bow. I like to do this. I'm going to fold a string in half, slide it through the center. And then we're going to take this end, put it through the loop here, pull on it, and now I can tie a little bow. The front, fix that little bow. And there you go. Now I've got a little journaling booklet that looks cute and is going to go in my photo album. Well, I hope you like this simple, easy project, and I hope it finds its way into your album. I'll see you for the next one soon.